Right, it's the next day and we have green light on the battery, which means we've got a decent charge in there. And the battery is down here. Currently, we are reading, I should have thought about this before I started the video. Currently reading 25.7 volts across the entire battery. That's a nice good charge. And on one cell, we are looking at 3.2 volts, and that's across all the cells. They're roughly balanced. So this should be working, but the BMS is still cut off. As we can see, Google's not on, the switches aren't on, and the lights and stuff don't work. So the BMS hasn't cut in. So I think what we're going to have to do is short out the negative terminals. Yeah. So I've disconnected negative leads off the inverter. Two reasons. Number one, I can use them leads to short to the battery, and number two, this inverter's got a very high capacitive load, so if I connect it with the inverter installed, there'll be a big spark. Without it, hopefully there won't be as big a spark. So the leads are down here. So the plan is I should be able to just touch it onto there and hopefully it will come to life. Ah, little spark. We have power. We take it off again, we still have power, I believe. Google to start it up. They're not on because I haven't flicked the switch on, that's why they're not on. So hopefully, so much power we're getting from the panel. Hopefully we're good now. So what we've got to do now is get a resistor across this negative lead to the inverter, because again, if I touch that, it'd be a big spark, so I'll get one now. Right, so this is a 10 ohm resistor, so it's a 1/4 watt. It's about to have a lot more than that go through it. I'm just going to use that to touch the negative onto the terminal. I've got a voltmeter across there, so I can see the voltage drop across the resistor. So when it gets to 0 or close to it, I know the capacitors are fully charged. So there we go. And didn't get to 0. Why did it not get to 0? It's not on. I should be dropping down to 0. Why is it not? Okay, I'm a little bit confused. This has gone open. Well, let's see if we get a bang. Yes, we did get a bang. But that's charged now, so put that on and connect, and we connect the other one now. And then we'll be back in business. And we're both connected, and hopefully with power and a fan heater, which I shall turn off. I just still want these batteries to charge. Sweet. Right, I'm just going to make my cable up to switch which side the charge controller is going to be charging on, and then that is pretty much it. Right, so we're running again, and I hope you enjoyed that. I don't have a switch to the switching of the charge controller yet. I'll have to get one, but as soon as I get one, I'll post that. So for now, I'll have to leave it there, but we've got power, we're back online, and it looks like we've got a fairly healthy charge in the batteries. Of course, it's going to take a little while to recover, but for now, that'll be it. So I'll see you later, and stay safe.